sensational video footage with the kind of stability that's never been seen before, and all in glorious 4K detail. This is the first action cam to feature Sony's own balanced optical steady shot technology, allowing you to capture incredibly stable footage even when shooting in 4K quality. With more effectiveness against high-amplitude camera shake from activities such as running or riding on a bike, you can capture virtually vibration-free footage in any situation. Plus, with a smaller body than previous 4K action cam models, you'll hardly even notice it's there. The quality of your footage is improved yet further thanks to the new X-R image sensor, which has been designed and developed specifically with 4K video in mind. With the same pixel size as the award-winning AX53 Handycam camcorder, you can be confident of maximum image quality in all light conditions. There's also a new Zeiss Tessar lens, which not only complements the image sensor, but has approximately half the peripheral distortion for a more natural image. The brand new Live View remote is around 30% smaller than its predecessor and therefore much more flexible to use when you're using the action cam while out and about. Because the screen isn't built into the back of the camera itself, it's easy to check the framing of what you're shooting, no matter how the camera is mounted. Whether you're out on your bike, skateboarding in the park, or simply roaming the city, the new Live View remote is guaranteed to make it easier to get the results you're after. You even get a watch attachment and tripod adapter included, so you're ready to use the Live View remote straight out of the box. With all of this and more, the X3000R Action Cam has all of the tools you need for incredible on-the-move footage, no matter the scenario.
Okay, Garmin, start recording.
How did we make 40 frames per second? This time, we used Amba H2 chip, the most advanced chip in the world. The newly supported raw picture capacity will also give you more room for photo editing as well. We've reinvented E4K all over again. With 100 megabit per second bitrate, it made professional grade post-production possible to everyone. The brand new USB 3.0 Type-C connection increased the transfer speed. You'll see the differences between 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second. No details will be lost during high-speed movements. Non-ordinary, crispy, clear pictures that perfectly restores the real world. Electronic image stabilization for 4K 30 enables clear and stable footage that is normally subject to knocks and bumps. So keep doing what you're doing and let the EIS take care of stabilizing your footage. Moreover, E4K Plus comes with the voice command feature. Just tell E4K what you want and E4K Plus will do it for you. After countless tests,
Start recording.
E4K Plus can now accurately understand you. With live streaming, you can share your adventure on most major streaming platforms before they've even begun.
Hero 6 is a whole new game, and it's a whole new GoPro.
The engine behind Hero 6 is what we call GP1. Hero 6 is going to give you double the performance with 4K 60, 1080p 240 video. You're going to get this really buttery smooth, slow motion that doesn't drop a frame.
Every aspect of the shot is that much more brilliant, that much more lifelike. And when you combine it with quick stories, the experience is unlike anything before. Quick stories is a way to go from capturing a great experience to the story that you can share. Your GoPro will automatically copy any new photos and videos over to your phone, where the GoPro app will edit that into a video for you.
Hero 6 is our smartest camera yet. We have algorithms for faces and audio, accelerometers, GPS, and we're able to take that data and pull them into your edit so we can create the most compelling story for you.
When you're able to capture something and slow it down, it really allows you to appreciate the moment. What was the water doing? What were you doing? Life happens fast, and using a GoPro helps you capture your life, slow it down, and see it in a whole new way. Hero 6's stabilization is far beyond anything we've ever accomplished at GoPro. Hero 6 can analyze your footage and then adjust the stabilization to take out any of the shake, take out the roll, and really make it look like your GoPro was mounted on a stabilizer. People are using their GoPros to film everything, and you can't always get close to the action. And now with Hero 6 and the built-in touch zoom capability, you can.
With Hero 6, you're getting more voice commands. You're going to get this hands-free, fluid experience.
GoPro, turn on.
Hero 6 is going to give you the richest, biggest, best image yet. Those colors are going to be brighter. The moments are going to feel more authentic, more lively, more evocative, just as you remembered them.
Live your life and share your life through amazing video. Nothing is like Hero 6.